Read the given statement about algae and select the correct option. I. Plant body is thalloid. 2I. Largely aquatic. 3rd I. Reproduction by vegetative, asexual and sexual method. IV. Chlamydomonas, volvox and Eulothrix are multicellular algae. Option A. Statement I and 2I are true. Option B. Statement 2I and 3rd I are true. Option C. Statement I, 2I and 3rd I are true. Option D. All statements are true. The correct answer is option C, which is statement I, 2I and 3rd I are true. At least a half of total CO2 fixation on Earth is carried out through photosynthesis by option A. Angiosperm, option B. Gymnosperm, option C. Algae, option D. Bryophyte. The correct answer is option C, which is algae. Dash and dash are unicellular algae rich in protein which are used as food supplement even by space traveler. Option A. Chlorella spirulina. Option B. Gelidium gracilaria. Option C. Porphyra spirogyra. Option D. Laminaria spirogyra. The correct answer is option A, which is Chlorella and spirulina. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I. A. Food. B. Agar. C. Algin. D. Carrageen. Column 2I. I. Brown algae. 2I. Porphyra laminaria. 3rd I. Gelidium gracilaria. IV. Red algae. The correct answer is option A, which is food. Match with Porphyra and Laminaria. Agar match with Gelidium and Gracilaria. Algin match with brown algae and Carrageen match with red algae. Major photosynthetic pigment in green algae are option A. Chlorophyll A and B. Option B. Chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin. Option C. Chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. Option D. Chlorophyll A and C. The correct answer is option A, which is chlorophyll A and B. The algae shown in figure belong to the class option A. Chlorophyceae. Option B. Phaeophyceae. Option C. Rhodophyceae. Option C. Cyanophyceae. The correct answer is option A, which is Chlorophyceae. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made of an inner layer of dash and an outer layer of dash. Option A. Cellulose. Option B. Pectose and pectose. Option D. Pectose and cellulose. Option D. Cellulose and pectose. The correct answer is option D, which is cellulose and pectose. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made of an inner layer of cellulose and an outer layer of pectose. Which of the following is a correct match of algae class with its characteristics reserved food? Option A. Chlorophyceae starch. Option B. Phaeophyceae mannitol and laminaria. Option C. Rhodophyceae floridin starch. Option D. All of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. In most green algae, pyrenoid represent the storage body located in option A. Chloroplast. Option B. Mitochondria. Option C. Cytoplasm. Option D. Nucleus. The correct answer is option A, which is chloroplast. Cup-shaped chloroplast is present in option A. Spirogyra. Option B. Chlamydomonas. Option C. Eulothrix. Option D. Cara. The correct answer is option B, which is Chlamydomonas. Fusion of two gametes which are dissimilar in size is termed as option A. Ogamy. Option B. Isogamy. Option C. Anisogamy. Option D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and C. Which of the following pigments are found in brown algae? Option A. chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. Option B, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D. Option C, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and fucoxanthin. Option D, chlorophyll A and phycoerythrin. The correct answer is option C, which is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and fucoxanthin. Pigments are found in brown algae. Laminarin and mannitol. The reserve food of brown algae are option A, lipids, option B, complex carbohydrate, option C, protein, option D, lipoprotein. The correct answer is option B, which is complex carbohydrate. Identify the given figure of algae and select the correct option. Option A, Fucus polysiphonia. Option B, Dictyota polysiphonia. Option C, Dictyota porphyra. Option D, Porphyra polysiphonia. The correct answer is option B, which is Dictyota and polysiphonia. Figure A represent the Dictyota and figure B represent the polysiphonia. Which out of the following does not belong to brown algae? Option A, Gelidium, Batrachosporum. Option B, Ectocarpus, Dictyota. Option C, Laminaria, Fucus. Option D, Sargassum, Ectocarpus. The correct answer is option A, Gelidium and Batrachosporum. Which of the following statement about Phaeophyce is incorrect? Option A, vegetative reproduction occur by fragmentation. Option B, asexual reproduction is a flagellated pear-shaped zoospore. Option C, in sexual reproduction, gametes are pyriform and bear two laterally attached flagella. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option is D, which is none of these. Select the correct match of algal class and its characteristics flagellation. Option A, Chlorophyce 2 to 8 equal apical. Option B, Phaeophyce 2 unequal lateral. Option C, Rhodophyce absent. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Photosynthetic pigment of Rhodophyce are option A, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Option B, chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin. Option C, chlorophyll A and D. Option D, chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. The correct answer is option D, which is chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Volvox form spherical colony. Statement 2. Volvox colony is made up of non-motile cell. Option A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. And option D is both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. The correct answer is option C, which is statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Batrachosporum is a option A, red algae of C. Option B, brown algae. Option C, blue algae. Option D, red algae of fresh water. The correct answer is option D, which is red algae of fresh water. Phycoerythrin is present in option A, Euglena. Option B, Polysiphonia. Option C, Chlamydomonas. Option D, Fucus. The correct answer is option B, which is Polysiphonia. Which types of sexual reproduction is found in Volvox? Option A, isogamous. Option B, anisogamous. Option C, ogamous. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, which is ogamous. The seaweeds that form the underwater forest are option A, claps. Option B, laminaria. Option C, macrosites. Option D, all of this. The correct answer is option D, which is all of this. Phycoerythrin, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D are characteristics of option A, Phaeophyce, option B, Xanthophyce, option C, Chlorophyce, option D, Rhodophyce. The correct answer is option D, which is Rhodophyce. In Eulothrix, sexual reproduction is by option A, isogamy, option B, anisogamy, option C, oogamy, option D, conjugation. The correct answer is option A, which is isogamy. Which of the following cannot fix nitrogen? Option A, nostoc, option B, azotobacter, option C, spirogyra, option D, anobana. The correct answer is option C, which is spirogyra. Agar-agar is commercially obtained from option A, green algae, option B, blue-green algae, option C, brown algae, option D, red algae. The correct answer is option D, which is red algae. Seaweeds are a source of option A, chlorine, option B, fluorine, option C, bromine, option D, iodine. The correct answer is option D, which is iodine. Fusion between morphologically alike gamete is referred to as option A, isogamy, option B, anisogamy, option C, oogamy, option D, syngamy. The correct answer is option A, which is isogamy. The common example of red algae is option A, Porphyra, option B, Batrachosporum, option C, Ectocarpus, option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. Select the incorrect statement regarding reproduction in Rhodophyce. Option A, asexual reproduction occurs by motile gametes. Option B, sexual reproduction occurs by motile gametes. Option C, sexual reproduction is oogamous. Option D, complex post-fertilization development event occurs. The correct answer is option B, which is sexual reproduction occur by motile gametes. Which is the characteristic branching pattern of Dictyota thallus? Option A, monopodial, option B, excurrent, option C, dichotomous, option D, deliquescent. The correct answer is option C, which is dichotomous. A member of class Chlorophyce is option A, Chlamydomonas, option B, Volvox, option C, Eulothrix, option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, which is all of these. Match column I with column 2I and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column I, A, Spirogyra, B, Chlamydomonas, C, Volvox, D, some gigant marine form. Column 2I, unicellular, 2I, filamentous, 3rd I, colonial form, IV, clave. The correct answer is option A. Spirogyra match with filamentous, Chlamydomonas match with unicellular, Volvox match with colonial form, some giant marine form match with claves. The members of Phaeophyce or brown algae are found primarily in or on option A, fresh water, option B, marine water, option C, terrestrial habit, option D, rock. The correct answer is option B, which is marine water. Each cell of Volvox colony has a structure similar to option A, Eulothrix, option B, Spirogyra, option C, Chlamydomonas, option D, nostoc. The correct answer is option C, which is Chlamydomonas.